everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for a spooky edition of the Monday meal. And it's almost a midnight edition. Sorry about that, but it's the time my mom had to do it. And we wanted to give you some fresh new Halloween recipes. So I'm dressed as a pumpkin, a jack-o'-lantern, and so yeah, I'm loving this. Loving this. But anyway, here is what's on the menu. We have a spider web guacamole, and then there's also a octopus hot dogs. And then, if you want to, you can make hamburgers that are jack-o'-lanterns using the cheese on top. So, just like me, I'm a jack-o'-lantern. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fun Halloween. These are some fun recipes for you and the family. And we're going to put links to the originals in the description box and also in the video. So hope you enjoy it. Chef Yoda the dog out. Trick or treat.
Hi everyone, happy Halloween. As Yoda said, Yoda, quit licking and look at the people. We're making a special Halloween dinner for you. So you have a themed dinner. So first of all, we made guacamole. Well, we didn't. We used Holy Guacamole Classic already in the bowl. You're supposed to use a shallower bowl, and that probably would have made this look more like a spider web if I'd have done that. But you take sour cream, you make concentric circles, and then you pull through with like a knife to make it look like the web, and then you use olives for the spider. So cut one in half, and that's his body, and then cut another one in half, and on each side make 4 legs. So there's your spider. I'm going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below, and then you use blue corn chips. We're using Tostitos, organic blue corn, around the edge, and that's your spider web guacamole. So cute. And then we are making octopus hot dogs, and if you have black food coloring, you can put that in ketchup and make it like black gel food coloring to go with them, ketchup. But these are the hot dogs, so you cook them. So I use Nathan's all beef hot dogs, but you cut them lengthwise, leave 2 inches at the top for the head, and then cut lengthwise, cut the legs out of each side lengthwise, and then cook them up. And once the legs start curling up, they're done. So you need like a fork or something. You have the fork? All right, so this one's been cooking for a while. See, their legs will curl up, and then their little hot dog octopuses, and then you dip them in the black ketchup. Squid ink ketchup is what it's supposed to be. Aren't they cute? You can also make hamburgers and cut a jack-o'-lantern shape out of the cheese and make them open faces, so you can have jack-o'-lantern burgers. So we got burgers, we got octopus hot dogs, and we got spider web guacamole. Happy Halloween! Enjoy. Bye.